Here's a tutorial on how to install a SD card into a cell phone. And here I just have a ZTE Midnight. It's a basic track phone. And I'll attempt to install this SD card. The MTech SD card, I picked this up at Big Lots for about $8. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure your phone is powered down, which it is. The next thing I'll do is I'll take off the back cover, and the first thing you want to look for is your finger hole. So I'm actually going to put my finger on the finger hole, and you may actually think that you're breaking the phone, but you're actually not breaking the phone. So here I have the back on the phone. As you can see, it comes with a 4 GB card. I'm going to replace that. It comes with a 4 GB card. And I'm simply going to replace that with this 8 GB card. So here we have the 8 GB chip. So I'm simply going to remove the 4 GB chip. I'm simply going to lift that up, pop it out, and I'm going to put in the new 8 GB chip. I'm going to replace the back cover. Make sure all the pins are locked into place, and there we have it.